let me tell you something that you think is self-care, but it's not. Okay? But before I tell you that, please make sure to follow, because all of the information in these videos is for educational purposes only and should be discussed with a mental health professional. One toxic habit you think is self-care is restricting your food intake. Now, this can look like dieting, tracking calories, or going on extreme low-carb or low-fat diets. And if this is you may even feel that you're doing the right thing for your body, because you've heard that we need to eat less to lose weight. But here's the thing, when you restrict food, you are not nourishing your body. And when you don't nourish your body, it will get nutrients from somewhere. It will get them from your organs, which means that you're essentially starving your organs so that you can look thinner. This is why restricting food goes viral, because it challenges people's belief systems. People have different ideas about food, and some people think that eating less is better than eating more. But there is no scientific basis for this claim. The idea that we need to eat less to lose weight has been around for a long time. But what if we told you that it's not true? What if we told you that you can actually eat more and lose weight? Well, let me tell you a story. There was a girl who was struggling with her weight. She had tried everything, but nothing worked. So she decided to go on a diet. She cut out all of the food she liked and replaced them with salads and fruits. At first, it was hard, but then she started losing weight. She was so happy that she went on a diet that she told all of her friends about it. They were so impressed that she was able to lose so much weight so quickly. They all wanted to know how she did it. So she told them about the diet. Her friends were skeptical, but they were desperate to lose weight, so they tried it. They lost a few pounds, so they told their friends about it. And those friends told their friends. And before they knew it, everyone in their town was on the diet. But after a while, they stopped losing weight. And no matter how much they restricted their food, they couldn't lose any more weight. And that's because when you restrict food, your body just holds on to the weight. It doesn't matter how much you restrict, you will never reach your goal weight. Now, you may be thinking that you are in control of your eating habits, but you're not. Your habits are controlled by your subconscious mind. That's why you can't stick to a diet. And that's why you're still overweight. If you really want to lose weight, you need to change your subconscious mind. You need to get to the root of the problem. And that's what therapy can help you with. Therapy can help you explore your thoughts and feelings about food and weight. It can help you understand why you overeat or restrict food. It can also help you develop healthier eating habits and a positive body image. So if you're struggling with your weight, please seek professional help. Don't torture yourself with extreme diets. Don't starve your body because you're not alone. There is help available, and you can achieve your goal weight. You just need to find the right approach. If you agree with this, please comment down below, because all of the information in these videos is for educational purposes only and should be discussed with a mental health professional. Also, make sure to follow for more information.